What's up everyone, my name is Jamie and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, keep up to date with the content. The start of today's video, I'm going to be heading down to my garage. Definitely needs a bit of maintenance. I'm going to sort out the front door. It's been spray painted a few times, people writing silly things on the walls and stuff, so I'm going to just paint my garage door black, tidy it up, make it nice and clean, as it is the front of my garage and I like to keep things nice and tidy. So yeah guys, enjoy the time lapse. Now guys, as you can see, the door is a mess. There was a fire lit here at one time and it burnt the front door. I've no idea why, it's just loads of rubbish and stuff here, but it is fairly grimy around. My brother wrote this on the door just to stop people from dumping stuff in the front of the garage. Around here you can see little bits and pieces but not a lot. So I'm going to just paint the whole door and clean it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start off with the main door. I'm actually going to leave it open and I'm going to paint the main door and then over the red, and then I'll start from the bottom up just to get it so it's dry. This door should dry first, so I'm going to get a first coat on that and see how it looks with one coat. Hey guys, that's the door fully painted there. Just let it dry for a bit. I've done all behind the latch and stuff like that. I might do this one now because it just looks a bit lost now in the corner with a nice new clean black door and then this tacky one. So the camera fell a few minutes ago. I didn't know it fell and it stopped recording. So that's the finished product of that. I don't have the height to get that, but it's never been painted, so I'll just leave it till next time. So let's get this one done. You can't deny how good that looks now. Jesus, that's some difference. So yeah, doesn't look too bad now, does it? Need to sort out this wall maybe. Paint it white and around. Maybe grey actually. I don't have to go with these walls because there's no point in painting these. I'll just soak in the paint. There was loads of white on this. I powered off, got most of it off. But yeah, that's the door done. It looks, I have to say, looks really decent. So yeah, thumbs up. So yeah peeps, that's the door. Nice and shiny. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Yeah, I done the top bit. I had to. It wouldn't have gone with it anyway, so that's it done for now. It's getting pretty late now. I'm going to head home, but I will be back down tomorrow to actually do some work on the cars. So keep tuned. So on today's journey, we're going fishing. We go fishing? Yeah. So my mate texted me a few days ago asking, did I want to go fishing? So I drove over to him and told him, yeah, sure, why not? I haven't been fishing in over 10 years. And all I caught the last time was a crab, a big crab. But yeah, we're gonna head now. We're in Bray now in the Lidl, just picking up a few bits and pieces. Done a barbecue this morning, bit of grub, and we're heading to the fish and tackle shop now to get some worms. So enjoy. Look at this child, she's awesome. What are you reading?
Beano.
Beats a phone every day. Ooh, tackle shop, just got some big worms. Oh Lord. Oh, Congo.
Right, we go somewhere and put the shit down and have fun.
You made it. And what you'll get to there and you fall. So the fishing trip went well, except for didn't catch a thing, maybe a cold. But yeah, it was a good day other than that. So I'm going to pick it up down the garage working on something. What's up everyone? As you can see, I'm only finished work. It is 6:30 p.m. and I literally left work. It's been lovely all day and it's now pissing rain. So plans are to go over and sort out this Integra, try get it started and move it out of the way. It's in the middle of the mother's garden, so I need to move it over into the stones so then I can start working on it during the week. I'm off tomorrow and Tuesday, so I'm going to get more work done on some of the cars. Hopefully get down and get the EG6 started. So yeah, see us when I'm doing something with one of the cars. Just got changed in the nice new car, cushy. Don't forget, get your merch, drop me a PM. You can get me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want on here. Comment on here, like the video, whichever. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to head over and do a bit on the Integra in this lovely, lovely rainy Dublin weather. Peace. Now, steal this battery out of BMW. 6 nuts and bolts holding this battery in. Bit overkill. Now, while I leave that battery charging for a bit, I'm going to clean up the front garden because someone came, cut the bushes and cut the grass, but left all this shit here, which is a bit unprofessional if I say. So I'm going to have to move it all back over out of the way. I think it's a rule when you clean someone's garden, as in cut grass, trim bushes, you don't leave your mess behind. You don't move stuff so you can do your job and leave it in the middle of a garden. That's just unprofessional. Nice empty space for this third. So BMW batteries are way too big for a Honda, so no go. So yeah, because I left the battery in the other car, I'm gonna have to fly over and grab it because the BMW battery is too big to fit in the slot, and I can't tilt it on the side because it'll be on its side too much and it'll leak out or just not work. So I'm heading over to get the battery from the Civic. I'm gonna check the ECU first and make sure that it's all connected up and there, but it is there. There she is there. So I'm just going to check and see if everything is plugged in, so I'm going to take it out. So everything is plugged in and all the wires look good. So to the next thing. Right, so the ECU is plugged in. None of the wires seem to be chewed up. I've looked at all the wires in the engine bay. That's what I was doing in the time lapse, and nothing seems out of place. So I'm still thinking it's the alarm that's not allowing it to start. So what else could it be? Alarm, fuel pump. And this is what happens 2 seconds later. Yeah, never ending. So why we're not doing anything to the car, unfortunately my mate can't come around. He's supposed to check out the alarm. We'll do damage assessment. Quarter panels are completely gone all the way around. I don't think it's that bad under there. Still looks decent under there, so that's good. All these bottom arms, we'll take them out, rub them down, paint them up. Underneath the car is actually pretty decent. it's not too bad, like, doesn't look that rough at all. Bumpers are clean, no big marks on the bumpers. Boot lid is clean, quarter panel on top is clean, but then this one is a bit nasty, so that's going to all have to get cut out all around the arch. Now it's a track car, it doesn't need to be perfect, so it's all going to cut out and just sheet metal it, body work it. So that's all for the rust anyway. Body work is pretty decent on it. There's a dent here, obviously someone had their knee on it. Screwdriver marks, trying to rob the car. Screwdriver marks, so I'm going to have to bend this door in. But other than that, wings are clean, front bumper is clean, bonnet is clean. There's actually no dents in the bonnet, which is very surprising. The spotlights work, and all the indicators work, all the headlights work around this side. This wing is very clean as well. That door is mint, top quarter panel is mint, roof is very clean, and everything works on the car. I've checked all the lights, the indicators, the brakes, everything works. So it's just get it started and start work on it. These wheels are actually nice, I like them, they're 15s. I don't see any name on them, but yeah, they're nice. The full set is there, spare is in the boot. But yeah, put a Type R spoiler on it, 98 spec back bumper. There's a full exhaust system on it, that needs to be cut and put back a bit. I have a manifold for it, the carbon fibre ITG is there for it, and I have a front lip for the car. I have side skirts for the car off a 98 spec, so all the wheels. I have coilovers for the car, and then I am in the market for a bucket seat or 2 bucket seats that will fit this, so either out of a Civic or an Integra. So if you have anything in mind, or you know anyone that's selling a set of bucket seats, I will take them. Now guys, I am absolutely soaked. I'm going to leave the video here. Give it a like, comment on it if you like. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate all my subscribers. We're nearly at 500, so let's get that 500. Might do a little giveaway then. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. I'm not ready to give up just yet. We're going to try it one more time. I have a bit of WD-40, so we're going to spray it in the inlet. I don't recommend this, but why not? WD-40. Let's try this. Whoa. Now. Ooh. Okay, let's try. Oh. Wow. Okay. Sweet, she's running. A bit rough, but it's running on WD-40. Success. So I'm after putting the ITG on it to see it run a bit better. Let's see and hope. Right guys, I call that a success. Now it didn't start the second time there, but it did start and run, and it ran on its own. Bit lumpy, but needs a good service and a good going over. So I might come over tomorrow, I might go get new spark plugs, get a few terminals for the battery because I couldn't keep it on, and the battery went dead after trying to turn it off for so long. So the battery's charging, I'm going to get fresh petrol. So it ran on its own. It didn't just run on the WD-40 because I sprayed a bit in, ran it, and it ran for a good 5 minutes. So definitely drawing petrol. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'll actually end the video here on a success. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I do appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. It really means a lot to me. It really does. We're nearly at 500 subscribers. I never actually thought I'd ever get 100 if you look back at my other videos from a while ago. But yeah, I'm so happy with the Integra start now. Finally got something done, even though it's raining all night. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep it real. See you in the next one. Peace out.